Tempe, Arizona, on March 18, 2018, Elaine Hertzberg, a 49-year-old woman, was walking her bicycle across Mill Avenue when she was struck and killed by a self-driving Uber vehicle, a Volvo XC90 operating in autonomous mode with a human safety driver present, marking the first time a self-driving car struck and killed a human, controlled by artificial intelligence. Video evidence, dashcam footage showed the safety driver was not looking at the road moments before the collision. Self-driving cars have promised a future free from human error, a world where accidents might become a thing of the past. Companies like Uber and Tesla invested billions into AI technology, racing to perfect autonomous driving and transformed transportation. At the heart of these vehicles lay a complex network of sensors and algorithms, cameras capturing visual data, radar detecting the speed and distance of objects, and LiDAR using laser light to create a 3D map of the environment. The AI processed all this information in real time, making decisions in milliseconds to navigate roads safely. But on that fateful night, something went tragically wrong. Despite the vehicle's sensors detecting Elaine 6 seconds before impact, the system failed to classify her correctly as a pedestrian crossing outside of a crosswalk. Instead, it oscillated between labeling her as a vehicle, a bicycle, and an unknown object. This misclassification prevented the AI from applying its brakes, taking appropriate action to avoid the collision. Compounding the failure of the AI, the human safety driver inside the vehicle was distracted, reportedly looking down at a mobile device. The driver didn't notice Elaine until moments before the impact, too late to intervene. This incident wasn't just a technological failure, it was a human one as well. The reliance on AI perhaps gave a false sense of security, highlighting the critical importance of human vigilance, even as technology advances. The incident sparked immediate investigations by the National Transportation Safety Board. Findings revealed that the vehicle's software had been tuned to ignore certain objects to reduce false positives, instances where the system might perceive a threat that wasn't there. In attempting to make the system more efficient, the developers inadvertently programmed it to overlook potential dangers. This raised profound ethical questions about the development and deployment of autonomous technologies. The tragedy highlighted significant moral dilemmas. How should an AI weigh the value of human life? Who is responsible when an autonomous system fails? The creators of the technology, the operators, or the AI itself? These questions sparked debates among ethicists, technologists, and policymakers. The consensus emerged that ethical responsibility doesn't end at innovation. It's where it begins. Developers must program ethical frameworks into AI, considering the real-world implications of their technology. In response, Uber suspended its self-driving car testing in Arizona and did not face criminal charges, as prosecutors found no basis for corporate liability. The industry as a whole took heed. Companies invested more in refining AI decision-making processes, emphasizing safety over speed to market. Today, autonomous vehicles are equipped with advanced AI capable of better context understanding. Machine learning algorithms have been trained on millions of scenarios to improve decision-making. Engineers have made significant strides in predictive modeling, allowing AI to anticipate not just immediate obstacles, but potential future movements of pedestrians and vehicles. Yet, challenges remain. The AI must operate flawlessly in an unpredictable world, a feat that even humans struggle with. Despite technological advancements, the human element remains indispensable. Companies now emphasize the role of trained safety operators. Drivers are being taught to work with AI, understanding its limitations and being ready to take over at any moment. This collaborative approach acknowledges that while AI can process data and react quickly, human intuition and oversight are still crucial components of safety. Although Tesla has announced that FSD, unsupervised, will be introduced in Texas and California in 2025, Elaine Hertzberg's death was a tragic loss, a stark reminder of the potential consequences when technology fails. It underscores the importance of ethical responsibility and the need for constant vigilance in the pursuit of progress. The journey toward fully autonomous vehicles is fraught with challenges, both technical and moral. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in transportation, society must grapple with not just how we advance, but at what cost. The backup driver, Rafaela Vasquez, was charged with negligent homicide but pleaded guilty to endangerment, receiving 3 years of probation. The road ahead is uncertain, but one thing is clear: technology must walk hand in hand with humanity, guided by ethical responsibility and a commitment to safety above all. In memory of Elaine Herzberg and all who remind us of the importance of vigilance, we are called to ensure that innovation serves humanity without compromising its safety or values. As we look toward the future of self-driving technology, one thing is certain: the road ahead is full of both promise and challenge. Companies continue to push the boundaries of autonomous tech, with Tesla leading the charge with ambitious goals. At Tesla's recent We Robot event, they unveiled the Cybercab, a vision of the future where cars have no steering wheel, no pedals, just pure AI-driven transportation. It's a bold step that reminds us how close we may be to a world where cars truly drive themselves. But as we've seen, the journey to that future isn't without its obstacles and ethical questions. Self-driving cars hold the potential to revolutionize not just transportation, but also the way we experience freedom and mobility. Yet, each innovation calls us to keep asking, how do we balance convenience with safety, progress with responsibility, and at what point do we trust machines with decisions that impact human lives? If this exploration of autonomous tech and its moral dilemmas sparked your curiosity, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us keep digging into the stories behind the technology shaping our world. And if you want more deep dives like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. After all, who better to navigate the twists and turns of innovation with than you? Stay tuned, stay curious, and remember, the future is just around the bend.